It's a dangerous world for your data.
One moment you're enjoying your drone, and then that happens. Drone gone, data safe. Because Recoverit 14's AI scans fast and finds your files, spotting over 1 million devices and 10,000 solutions on its own.
And it's not just drones. You could be filming your kid's soccer game. And this happens. Still want to post that goal, right?
The all-new Recoverit 14's got you. And yes, your raw files too.
Almost done with that project for tomorrow. And oops, did you hit the wrong shortcut? Did you just open a portal to another reality? Okay, don't worry.
Recoverit can still bring your corrupted raw files back to life right in time for your delivery, and it works seamlessly with macOS 26.
Oh, nice shot. Wait, was that a UFO?
Man, that's wild. I wasn't expecting... Oh no, your camera! What's that? Did they just give it back? Okay.
Want to find out what this camera has seen?
Yeah, but how?
Piece of cake.
Recoverit is so easy to use. Its UI makes it effortless.
Wow, a bit blurry, but Recoverit can enhance it. Ready to shine. The all-new Recoverit 14 is your data's best defense in an absurd world. Recoverit, AI-powered custom data recovery solution.